Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Grindworx channel. Today we're taking a look at a very special new knife from the Lightning Elite OTF series of knives. As you can see, we have something freshly baked up for you for National Knife Day. This is the Desert Warrior Lightning Elite OTF, and it comes with this beautiful pink donut with sprinkles handle and this frosting blue colored blade that comes in a full finish. Normally on these Lightnings you get like a two-tone. This is the first we've seen with the full coverage coating in that frosting blue. This is the drop point. You've got that Lightning Elite OTF action. Great springs that'll last you for years and years, and these are the most collectible we've seen to date. That's the drop point model. It also comes in a Dagger. You can see it's got the multicolored screws, the blue pocket clip on back, and the purple thumb slide for smooth firing. These are definitely the smoothest OTFs you're going to find under 50 bucks. Under 100 bucks for that matter. The very reliable Lightning Elite. And my personal favorite is definitely the Desert Warrior in the Tanto blade. Look at that thing. These are very limited, so you'll want to hop over to the website and grab one of these up while they're in stock. They are just $39.99. And everything is basically the same as your standard Lightning Elite. 8 inches in overall length. It's got a 3.25 inch blade. Thickness is about 0.11. Handle length 4.75. And the handle width is just over 1/2 inch. The firing is very reliable on these and very smooth, very easy. Doesn't take much effort to activate that thumb slide. These weigh about 4.13 ounces, so fairly light. You've got a good pocket clip on there. A great addition to any Lightning collection. A must-have, if you ask me. But I'll probably be checking out either the Dagger or the Tanto. Be sure to check these out while we've got them on the website. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe up top. See recent videos here, or hop over to the website to check these out and all the other great knives we've currently got at Grindworx. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.